How to see unsent messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can see unsent messages on Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, open up Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, head towards the settings. On the settings, scroll down and tap on notifications and sound. Make sure that this toggle at the top is turned on. Now after you make that sure, now you can close Messenger, open up settings in your device. Scroll down and head towards notifications and here tap on notification history. Now under your notification history, you have to look for Messenger and then tap on Messenger. Under Messenger, you will find the message that has been unsent. So scroll through it and search for it. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.